Hello YouTube, WRC Productions back again. I changed my YouTube channel name because a lot of the times when people search up my YouTube channel, they would put spaces in between and I would come up with actual videos of the model double O gauge or O gauge models of the class 20. So, with that out of the way, today we're going to be restoring this lovely loco. This little loco here was given to me by a friend as a birthday gift. I mean, it's a very late one, and my birthday is on 19th of October, but a loved one anyways. I'm very thankful for him. I haven't tested it out yet. I haven't even done anything to it. So I'm going to quickly test it out with a 9-volt battery. See if it works if I put it on top. Let's try it with a proper controller. Let me just go grab it. Okay, we now have a proper power source instead of a 9-volt battery. I only recommend doing this to just give it a quick test. Let me just take this off. As you can see, you're getting power. Let's try this. I mean, it's not the best runner, but it's running. We just need to clean off the wheels. So let's take the body shell off. Got a blue tack to hold it in place. Use this tub. This is where I bought some fake coal. I bought this from a Firestorm Games in my local Tesco's. Take the body retaining screws off if the thing will stay still. God's sake, this quality is awful, sorry. Okay, now just body off. Let's try and use this to hold it up. Blue tack, where did I just put you? I lose my own head if it wasn't screwed onto my body. Jesus, this is hard to get off. Back with you in a second. Okay, after a bit of trial and error, I managed to get it off. I had to use another person's YouTube video for that. I can't remember the name right now, so thank you for whoever did it. And I think I'm going to just put it on the track. Motor's running fine. You can probably hear it. See? Maybe it's not properly mounted. Look, it doesn't seem to be touching the gear properly. There we go. Careful with this, it can be fragile. Probably should do this in front of you guys. Oh, what did I haven't broke anything? Good, just a little. Oh my god. Ombi, if you end up watching one of my videos, which is extremely unlikely, try and improve these. Little kids do this sometimes with their models. And to my friend Morgan, if you're watching this, I'm very thankful for this. You've given me a nice challenge to work on. Okay, now it doesn't seem to want to turn. Why not? Probably because I didn't have it on the rivet. Any setting. Okay, now you're not touching drive gear. Why? Should be touching the drive gear, but you're not. Yeah, it's completely free rolling at this point. I can move it again. Got to do it off camera because it's a pain. Come on, Corey. I'm probably going to have to take this to my grandfather. Just to let you know, I've already said what he is Fred Lewis. He's an amazing man. Very helpful with people getting into the hobby. One thing about secondhand, please, and this isn't like a suggestion, I do mean this. Please, for the love of all things holy, even though I'm not Christian, well, I am Christian, but I'm not religious people. No offense if any of you are watching this. Please do not just wing it. Please just take a look at any video you can find, even if it's mine, even though mine is absolutely horrible. I'd recommend going to look at a professional video, as I don't want any of you breaking your models, even if it's one of the cheap Hornby ones, because you saw how I did it. How I did it is probably incorrect. So please, for the love of God, please, for the love of the Great Western, be careful with your trains. Just because you hear me say the cheaper ones, I do not mean that they are dirt cheap. I mean that they are cheap compared to the more modern ones. You can go up to £100. These can go up for like 50. I'm gonna go check. Hang on. I'm gonna go check what my other Pocket Rocket chassis looks like. As literally every single Hornby 040 chassis is the same. You can use a separate one as an idea for what your other one should look like. It's meant to be up. Let's try it now. I mean, it works. It's juddery, but all I need to do is get a fiberglass pen and clean it off. Something doesn't seem right with this loco. It's lovely that you can stick pretty much any 040 from Hornby onto any other chassis. That means it's a lot easier to customise them. I mean, look, I can take this one. Runs like a dream. I'd recommend that when you're trying to, you've got an old model, use another chassis to help it run. I mean, you can literally stick this pug body on another 040 and call it a day. But we're not going to do that, okay? We're not going to do that, because we want an original pug. And it's going to be very hard to get this back on, I just realised. It'll be a hard one, but oh well. I might as well get some more track just to help run it in. Okay, so I got the track, and I did something with mine, because it was a rather dirty body. Let me just... Rather hard to do this one-handed, so I should really get a tripod. Hang on. Have a tea towel on standby. Put your tea towel next to your jug of water. make sure that you take your local body out. Just a second. Mix up your water and dish soap to make sure that you aren't just having your loco sit in a literal gloopy. Your loco isn't just sitting in soap at the bottom, as that is bad. Then your loco will probably, I mean, it'll smell nice. Place your loco body into your water and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. So I'll see you then. I'll just give the chassis a bit of a run, and you'll probably get a video on this guy eventually because he has had so many modifications. And yeah, I'll see you all in about 10 minutes. Oh boys, we gotta run. I think this should be it for part 1. I shall make a part 2 on fixing that funnel and any imperfections in the cab. So, thank you all for watching. Good day, good evening, good night, blah blah blah. And I think that's it. So, yeah, goodbye.